Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making a local Wi-Fi that acts as home network. Enable your phone's hotspot and set a clear SSID and password. Choose 4 GHz if your Chromecast is older. Make sure the Chromecast is plugged into power. Unstable USB ports cause setup failures. If the Chromecast has never been updated, update it first on a real Wi-Fi, otherwise the setup app may fail. Once the hotspot is live, keep your phone nearby and make sure notifications or sleep settings won't disable the hotspot. With your phone on the hotspot, open the Google Home app and let it search for the Chromecast. If it doesn't appear, force a factory reset on the dongle so it broadcasts its setup beacon. When the device shows, follow prompts. Choose the hotspot SSID you created and enter its password. Allow any permission prompts. Make sure Bluetooth and location are on during discovery. Once set, Chromecast will join the local hotspot. This gives you a Wi-Fi LAN without internet, which is enough for casting local content or screen mirroring. Now choose how to send content. Open a local playback app that supports casting, VLC, Plex, or a DLNA server, or use screen mirroring from your phone. Select the Chromecast device on the same hotspot and play. Media streams over the local LAN, so internet isn't required. If anything goes wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. Reboot both Chromecast and the hotspot device. Ensure your phone truly remains on the hotspot network. Then rerun Google Home. Enabling location and Bluetooth often fixes discovery problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.